Renee getting ready.
Finding the right app.
There's our little drone.
Jenny.
I don't have a name for my drone. There's the valley. Just beautiful. A little bit of a breeze coming up. There's Dawn taking a picture of the valley. Okay. Oh, there it is. There she is. There we are. There it's going. Ooh.
Where's the paragliders? There's God, he already made it down.
I mean, I know there's more,
There's
but
more coming, but we should probably be able to see him come over the edge.
yeah.
Oh, how high up I want to go.
I know. You
Yeah,
go,
go.
you know what?
Wait, however
Far you
get
want to
the
do.
M
Yeah.
in there.
And it's your comfort zone. I'm not going to push you today. I'm not going to be naggy. Can you see it on your screen?
Yeah.
So we have it up, but it's
Around
it's blowing around a bit. Yeah, there is definitely a wind up here. You can definitely, oops, too far out. You can definitely see the grass here is blowing in the breeze. So whatever's happening up there, you know it's more. Okay.
All right, she's blowing around because now I can't find the end of it.
Oh, because I think you're facing
Yeah, right.
the other way.
There's the end.
So, okay, that was a beautiful
Oh, I see
picture of the
the M.
valley. Can you see the M now?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's blowing.
Oh, you can't get the whole M?
Maybe going out, down and out.
It is so deceiving. It's like you've got to make it go far out, which then that's where all the thermals are.
Nope.
Where's Dawn? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Oh, do it all the way till you're almost to land it, because that's really fun.
No, it's not. It's nerve-wracking.
So we have a nice. No, we can't. No way could we ever landed on this bench. Okay, she's coming in. She's coming in. Oh, oh. It is windy. This is our best landing area ever. There's Renee, she's doing it. Renee, yay! Another successful moment. Renee,
I've been practicing that.
yes. Okay? Let me put it this way: you're not shaking so much.
No.
You seem
A little nervous when I was way up there. The camera was doing this, and I'm like, ah!
And
We have to go down the hard way to get it.
we don't want to go back down that hill. But you seem so much calmer.
I'm getting better.
Yeah, you're doing this. Yes. So, at any rate, no, we're not old. What are we? Seasoned?
We're seasoned Gen Xers.
Okay, Gen Xers with a.
I'm not a Gen Xer.
Yeah, you're on the cusp of baby boomer. Okay, she's a baby boomer. I'm on the cusp. She's a Gen Xer, and we have a drone.
And we have shirts. We're official.
There it is. So.
Not so much the. Yeah, right there. There.
So. Okay. We had.
Here we go.
Oh,
Oh, my phone's not ready.
there's our second parasailer. Thank goodness he wasn't there when we were flying the drone. drone.
Say, keep an eye out for him. That would.
Oh.
Yeah, but we don't want to interfere with him at all.
No.
No, but you are fine. I mean,
You would, yeah, you were way down. Yeah.
and he probably can run faster than you can out of the way.
He wants everything that we didn't. He wants those thermals that we didn't want. Very cool.